We talk a lot about ground zero. What does that mean? Well, if something comes to the market that totally creates new direction, whether it's an economic number, a headline, a Trump Truth Social post, or what have you, it's important to, or a Fed statement, comment. It's important to know where the price was in the market you're trading right before that headline hit. In this case, just after 7 Central on this particular day, Trump comes out and says China's not agreeing to its terms, which sent the market quite a bit lower, starting at 59.20. It comes all the way back, the market does, comes all the way back from a 40-point slide, 59.20 down to like 58.80. It came all the way back to 20 right in here. So that's an interesting spot. And if you guys do this enough, you'll see that it's not a coincidence. It's not arbitrary. The market comes back to 20, uses it as resistance, and heads south. Now, there's a moment in here. If you look at our chaser, we call this a ledge. Generally, if it could clear it, it could pop. All right. And that would be bullish. But if it clears it and comes right back underneath it, that's pretty bearish. So you need, in our effort to read order flow, this is an order flow moment when they have a ledge, identify it. Now, these are a bunch of sellers at one price. They come in, they buy it all, and then wham, it comes back below, which means there's more sellers that want to sell it. And so if we play this, you're going to see price trade underneath it, make an effort to clear it, come back underneath it, and longs come in. Does that mean you have to get short? You see it right there? That means if you're bearish, you do. It means if you're long, you need to get out. If you're bullish, you need to take a step back and not execute. So you could see just what happened if you just watch our chaser and pay attention when you get a ledge that comes in. Let's rewind it and play it again. Price is playing underneath it. It goes, takes it out, and then a bunch of new selling appears. Boom. Takes it out, bunch of new selling appears. Longs came in. That is a trigger to execute a short. If you're already bearish, it's step aside if you're bullish and get the hell out if you're long. This is an order flow moment of what price just did after clearing a bunch of selling. And I'll remove the suspense and see it come off and go down. And so that's important as another order flow moment when it clears a bunch of selling and cannot pop and new selling appears. Again, that's like, if you're trying, our job is to predict future buying and selling. Well, when you see this new selling appear and it should be bullish and it's not, that's a clue. And then you see the laser go red to green, which means more shorts to more longs, predicting where the future sellers are coming from, is the laser going green, future sellers, and it created this push lower.